Hey guys, it's Riley and Brianna, and today we are going to be doing the blindfolded slime challenge. This should get interesting. Let's see how messy we can get. So all our ingredients are right here. We have Morph Magic, glue, and then all the normal stuff.
And Riley.
And Riley. And blindfolds. And we don't know what color we're going to get or what sparkles. Or if we're going to get sparkles or beads or anything. So this should get interesting. Let's get on. Okay guys, so now we're back and you can see our faces, so we're laying on our stomachs and all. And our bowls, so let's put the blindfold on. Blindfold on? Riley, do you have yours on?
Yeah.
Okay, we have to make sure we're not cheating. So how many fingers am I holding up? You're not supposed to feel them.
2.
Wrong.
3.
You hold up fingers. I had 6. Are you holding up fingers? You have 4. Did you?
Yeah. Do another number.
7?
No. 5.
Okay, we're ready. Sorry, 4 is like my lucky number, guys. So am I even? I might not be in the camera.
I know.
I think.
Where are you?
I kind of pinked. Okay, so
Wait, am I?
Yes, you are.
Okay.
Let's start glue. We aren't supposed to have that much glue, but I mean we can't really see. Oh, this bed is really hurting, guys. I'm gonna be wiggling so much. Oh. I moved the. I moved the bed, guys. Okay, sorry. I'm like, okay.
Ow!
Okay, you're not gonna see our faces. Just
Wait, they need to make sure we're not peeking.
ta-da! Okay, I need glue.
I got the glue, I think.
You think?
Oh, I like this song.
Oh, me too. Okay. Are you sitting up? No, okay. Add the glue so I can add the glue. Am I even in focus?
I don't know if I can open it.
Okay, open it. Oh my god, what is this? It's a cat.
Get over here.
Are you almost done?
I'm not even pouring it. Is it coming?
I don't know. Is it?
I guess.
You have to feel it.
I'm not feeling it.
Okay, I guess. Whoa. Whoa, okay.
What?
I felt glue.
Oh.
Okay, I'm gonna have to sit up, guys, because I can't pour glue.
Where's my spoon?
Where's my bowl?
Ah! I got a bowl.
Yeah.
I got a spoon.
I
Okay.
love us.
So,
Okay,
first taking.
so now the glue.
I guess it's in the bowl. I'm gonna grab something now. And it goes in the tripod!
Okay, I think I have glue. I think I just touched it. Where's the cap?
What did I just grab?
Where's the cap?
I touched it! I felt something wet.
That was my hand. It's full of glue.
Oh,
Where's
I
the
know
cap?
what
I
this
found
is.
the cap, guys.
Where's my spoon? Oh God.
We're hardly not even in focus.
Oh, it's in the thing.
Look over here. I think I'm making fluffy slime, guys. Where's my spoon?
Oh, what was that?
I have glue all over me. Wait. I need a spoon. That was Riley's.
This is right here.
Mine. Where is it?
Right here.
Right where? Wait.
Right here.
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
Sweetie. What's this? That's Riley. Oh wait, that's Riley's bowl. I need shaving cream.
It won't open.
Riley, can you hand me shaving cream?
Oh, what is that here? Open your hand.
No, Riley! Okay. Oh wait, I don't think it went in my bowl. Oh wait, I just touched glue. Wait.
anymore.
But I want the can.
No, I got the can.
No, I want the can. Ugh, I'm all full of glue. I should take a bath after this. Okay, just kind of wipe off my hand. I don't know if you guys can see us.
I don't know if this is even in my bowl.
That's a good question. All I know is I'm full of glue. And I have to stay in here so I can't wash off.
That's true.
Where's the can? Thanks.
Get off me. What is that? Is that my finger?
Okay, I think that's enough.
My
Shannon.
God. Oh my God!
I'm gonna have to change clothes after this because I'm like all full of glue. No, that's, I don't know
I
what
think
that
this is a phone.
Oh my God, you just got my nose, bro. My shirt is covered in glue.
Okay, I don't know. Where's my bowl? Oh, that's not my bowl.
My shirt's covered in glue. I think I landed in. Where is the? No, that's activator. Where's the lotion? Yeah, where's the lotion? Oh, ooh, I think I found some shaving cream. Riley, where's the lotion?
I don't know.
That's no problem. Hey, where's the lotion? Oh, I found the lotion. I think. Can you see anything?
Yeah!
I can't! I'm getting the lotion! I got it! Okay, I got it. Okay. Why is my shirt... Did I pour the glue bottle on my shirt? What are you laughing at? You're not supposed to look.
I had to. Why are you laughing?
Okay, I'm going back blindfolded. I did not see
Okay, girl.
anything.
Wait.
We're gonna have to clean everything.
What's this?
Is it coming out? Yeah. Okay. Oh my God, did you eat it?
I think so.
Oh wait, I need soap now. Riley.
Yeah!
I need to grab it. Okay. I got this, boo. I got this.
I don't think my thingy was open.
Oh wait, the soap isn't open. Dang. Okay.
Where's my spoon at?
Where's the soap going?
Brand, I think you took my spoon.
My spoon's in my bowl.
Where's my spoon
I
at?
don't know, Riley.
Get off me!
What's over here? I need, I don't think I added that much glue.
I think I added a lot of shaving cream.
Same.
I have a bunch of stuff in my slime.
I
That's
need,
not glue or shaving cream.
I need
Or slime
color.
materials.
I need color. I'll grab this color.
I think I just touched you.
Okay, color. Oh my God, Brianna.
This is such a dumb idea. Why did we do this? Oh, I think I grabbed the bottle.
Grabbed what?
The bottle?
I don't know. Okay,
Oh,
I think that's enough color.
Oh my God, I feel it.
I'm starting with my hand. This is normal.
I've been starting with my hands. Have you seen my hands lately?
You have?
Oh my God, the water just fell.
Oh God, that's an activator. Pick it up.
This slime's gonna suck. Probably. Oh, no, that's not my spoon.
What do you mean? Where is your spoon? Oh, I went in my plate. I'm gonna have to change my whole entire clothes.
I wonder what color mine is.
Yeah, same. Oh wait, I'm putting my color in.
Where's the activator now?
Will you get out?
I think I just got some on your rug. Oh no.
Wrong bowl. Oh wait, I need glitter now.
We might have to throw away this towel.
This is gonna end well.
Get out my bowl!
Where's the glitter? What? No! I don't need any.
Mine's probably gonna be an ugly color.
Most likely.
We added all her color in it.
My bad. I thought it was in mine.
I need more activated. Brian!
Wrong bowl. Well, there.
I can't pull up my blindfold.
Neither can I.
Get the slime out of me!
Hold on. Wait. Okay.
Brianna Elizabeth Dion.
Where is it? Where's my ball?
Oh my god, there's balls.
Okay, I need glitter. Ryla does too.
Okay, Brianna.
Hold on, I ain't got enough. Where did all the glitter go?
Oh my god, Brianna, I need a fart.
Here, I'll give you some glitter.
No, I got enough glitter. Stop it!
I give you some.
Oh my god.
Where's
this
the
is so much
activator?
glitter, I think.
Where's the activator?
I don't know.
Here it is.
Right there. Yeah, we might have to throw away this towel after.
Most likely.
Bro, it's all over the ground, Brianna.
How do you
Feel it.
know? I know, I think it's all over my stomach.
Brianna!
What?
You're getting me wet, child.
Ow, my goodness, what?
Brianna Elizabeth Guion. Stop it!
Bow. Oops, I just got myself all wet. Move, spoon, I don't need you. Do I have the activator, man? I'm confused. Is it the right way?
I don't know.
I think that's enough. What's this? Okay, are you almost done?
No.
Why? What else you gotta add to it? I think I'm done. Yeah, we're done.
No, we're not.
So raise up your blindfolds.
No, not
In
yet.
1, 2, 3, raise them.
Oh my
Holy
god.
crap.
Mess.
So I'm pretty sure all my glue went on my shirt. So guys, you're gonna have to explain to me.
That was a
Look
good
at my face!
Oh my god, yours is pretty.
Dang it!
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head.
I don't even know right now. My shirt is amazing. The ground is amazing.
This towel is just amazing. I swear.
We're gonna have to throw.
Mine needs more activator.
I don't know what mine needs anymore.
No, I don't know why I agreed to do this with you.
This is pretty funny though. Wow, we're really gonna have to clean up my room. These balls can't go everywhere.
They are everywhere.
Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video of us getting messy. Now we get to clean this up. Oh, I even got water on the phone. That's nice. So,
We're getting water everywhere.
yeah. Bye guys. Say bye.
Bye bye, I guess.